Hey guys, welcome back to my mom's YouTube channel, and today we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul.
A mini Dollar Tree haul.
Mini? We got 7 bags of stuff.
I know we have 7 bags of stuff, but some of it is Christmas. Some of it is everyday stuff. I have different things. But hello, Wilhelmina. Are you gonna go see Nana?
No.
Oh. Wilhelmina's a little sad that she's not in this video today. I didn't think that she was gonna be, or she was gonna find it fun. So this isn't one of the Michael's unboxings. This is just Dollar Tree stuff that I found. I plan on making most of these into DIYs, so make sure you stay tuned to those. So obviously be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, share, and let's start showing what we have. I'm going to start with the things that you can use around the house before I start showing the DIY stuff. So Emma has a few things over here, and Megan has a few things over here, and I'll just grab from each side, and yeah. So here we go.
The first item is karma. It's just karma.
Did you want to share that? Is that the first thing in the video?
It is karma. Yeah. Yeah. I've always wanted a karma candle. Like, you need to put this in my stocking.
I picked this candle because I liked that it was frankincense and vanilla. It had nothing to do with the name on the candle.
Nah, fam. I want it. It's karma.
And I like essential oils, and this really smells pretty cool. I got a Wilhelmina under the table, so all of my children are in this room as I'm videotaping. Everyone wants to always be in them.
Nah.
It's fun. It's fun. It's fun. So yeah, so there's the candle, karma, frankincense and vanilla. I think there were a few other ones. Like I said, I just really like the way that this smelled. I don't know when I got this.
You've had it for a while.
I know, I've had it for a few weeks. I've been getting stuff to do a Dollar Tree haul, and I've just been so busy, and I'm finally getting to it. So head to your local Dollar Tree, see if they have any more of these. They have other ones, like I said.
They have really good candles, actually. Me and Emma got one for our dad's house that we used, and it was like apple cinnamon and stuff, and we've been lighting it, and
It's so
it smells really good for only $1. Like, some of this Dollar Tree stuff is like insane that you can get it for $1. Like 5 feet of mini lights. Like, me and Emma have been using these for like a few years now, and they're amazing. So
Wait, where do I put this?
yeah, I don't know.
Put that over to the
These kind of
side.
like
Can I take
cauldrons.
this?
I know, they look like cauldrons. They look like chalk paint.
Oh, they do.
I don't know, I really
Oh,
like
they're
these
blue.
ones.
They're navy.
Well, they're black, but they look blue
I see
in the
blue.
light. It's like a dark blue. I think they also had white ones. I really like this black
You know
ones
what you
with
could
the
do
gold.
though is if you got a white one,
Can you have the hat with?
you make little snowman things.
Oh, I could totally make a snowman thing. Look at him. I know, it's kind of fun when you're at the Dollar Tree and you just look at that and this and you're like, oh, I can make that with that.
You can make
that with this.
a karma snowman.
Yeah, could totally
Wait.
make a karma snowman.
These are candle holders, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Don't know what I'm doing with them yet. I just thought they were pretty cool, so. Also, these weren't even in the candle aisle. They were just on the end shelf, and I saw things and I was like, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I know that my friend April would love these. There were only 3 there. It's sometimes so random, but it's like a purple and iridescent and yellow and blue. These little feathers. I have no idea what I'm going to do with them. Stick incense in them. Stick little... Alright, so there's that. So these are cute decoration. You can put, I don't know. Get creative. All I know is that these were really pretty and I snatched them up.
I haven't even got
Emma hasn't gone yet, so she's going to show off the soap.
Yes, because I love these. Okay, so I think these are my favorite items. So there is a gingerbread soap. It is so cute.
It is, are they scented?
Yeah, cinnamon.
This is
gingerbread.
cinnamon gingerbread.
That one
So
smells gross.
cute.
Oh,
It's
that's
strong,
very good.
but
It's
yeah.
strong. Does it
Doesn't
smell
smell
good?
very good. No, but the snowman does.
Oops.
Oops.
Can I smell it? I just
Yeah, you can smell
I
it.
got some on her.
Got some on my nose. This actually doesn't smell that bad. Sometimes
really
from the
not.
Dollar Tree, I don't buy a lot of things like this. I just like the way that they looked.
I love them.
You want
me to give it to you? They're
And I
literally
could totally, yeah, you can do that clean to smell. And if you don't like the soap, I guess, you could always dump it out and make your own or put other soap in it. But I like the way that smells. And then we got a snowman. Let's see the snowman.
So there is a snowman.
Yep. What's that scent?
This one is Mary Berry scented. So
That one smells good.
Me and Megan smelled this off camera and it was so good. So good.
Megan and I.
Megan and I mean.
Oh, that smells pretty too. Oh, that's
Thanks,
cute.
my
Okay, so
glamour.
one can go in the
I
kitchen,
know, yeah,
one
thank
can go in the
you.
bathroom, one can go in one bathroom, one go in the other bathroom. They're really cute. They gotta go out now though because it's Christmas time.
It's Christmas time.
Yeah. you
Okay,
can
so
show off
I
the-
think that one of the best items at the Dollar
Oh,
Tree
look at
around
it.
Christmas time is these lights. So it's only like 20 pack, but it goes like 5 feet. And me and Emma have used them, like I said earlier. We use them a lot, and they have a really nice variety. They've got clear and rainbow, and they work really well. The only bad thing about them is you can't connect them to each other. There's only one
yeah.
plug.
They're behind us.
Oh
yeah. Yeah, I bought them and I went to, what was I doing? I think I was trying to get them over the mantle of the fireplace. And I went to try to connect them and noticed that they don't connect. So that's the only, I guess, downfall, drawback.
But they're really good.
Yeah, so I
think they're
used
pretty
them. And the kids also got Christmas trees. Actually, we might as well show that off now. Christmas trees, I let them all have, well, they had their own money, but they all got a certain amount of money and they got to go to the Dollar Tree and spend money to decorate their room. So they all got Christmas trees and lights. And this, I plan on making gnomes. I got a few of them. And they're different colors. Some of them are white trees.
Yeah, white iridescent.
Iridescent.
I have
green. I haven't seen any.
I
other
have
colors.
I have a green one with white snowies on them at my dad's house, and they work really well. They're pretty good for Dollar Tree trees. Like it's really pretty good.
Yes, so I plan on making gnomes, and I actually, since we're talking about the gnomes, I got these cute little bells in the ornament section, and they have a pretty nice ornament section. At the Dollar Tree. So I know that everyone's going to Walmart or Target and just go stop at the Dollar Tree. You never know what you're going to find. And sometimes it can be some really nice stuff. And then of course I got hats. So I got Santa hat. This is really cute. I really love the red and black plaid. We just did pictures, family pictures not that long ago with this color. And then of course an elf. So I plan on doing each elf, not an elf, each gnome with these hats. No, so I don't know if I'm going to use these as beards. I'm not.
Just so you know, there when you open them up, there's a whole bunch of sparkles on the inside.
I had a vacuum on the carpet because it was glittery.
I know, glitter. If you don't like glitter, it might not be for you. But I'm not sure if I'm going to use them for the beards or not. We will see as we make them. But also for the gnomes, I forgot to get a pair of stockings. You literally just take the stocking and some stuffing, and that's how you make the nose.
Oh, we could probably find some upstairs.
So I think I have
I thought
some
you used socks.
stockings. For my regular gnomes, this is different.
Hey Mom,
So that's what I plan on doing. So stay tuned for a video on gnomes using the Christmas trees from the Dollar Store. So also in that section, in the ornament section, I of course found these. I just shared a video on how to make snowmen with the vases, and I did use these hats. Very cute, and I snipped the top off, and there you go. And here's another pretty ornament that I used. This is Peace.
Megan's gonna get that.
That's also in another video, the pizza pan joy door wreath that I did. Also has some ornaments that I used on that as well. These, I was looking all over the place for these things. these are base fillers, and I want to take a picture frame. I saw a picture frame, I think at Target, and I don't know how much it was. It was obviously not, I don't know how much it was. It would have been like $20 or something like that, but it literally had these around the picture frame. So I bought a picture frame from the Dollar Tree, and I plan on gluing these around the frame.
And selling it for $20.
No,
You should add some of these.
I'm not selling it for $20. I plan on using it as decorations, or if I want to, go bring them to the store that I have my things at and put them in there. So I guess stay tuned for that as well. And then this little cute little thing, little basket. Okay, so this is Santa, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's a belt, yeah.
Smells like an elf, but yeah.
I think they do have elf. So the red one is the Santa, and there's a green one that is the elf.
There was?
I think so.
Oh my gosh, that's so
We saw that yesterday, I think.
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
2 days.
That was,
Not yesterday. Yesterday was Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving with their family.
And stay safe.
And stay safe.
oh my gosh.
Silly COVID. Okay, so we did the lights. Oh, we have some more lights to share.
A lot.
To share. I really like these lights. These lights I've definitely used before.
Wait, can I
So these were like, I don't know, there was red, then we've got green, and we've got clear, and they're like really cute, battery operated. But unlike these ones, because these ones plug in, so you need like a cord. You can put these on one of the Christmas trees and not have to plug it in. That'd be helpful. But also, these lights are really
Mm-hmm. And you can also buy batteries. Leah, want to hand me the batteries?
Yeah.
Here is a battery pack that I bought to use in these
At the dollar store?
at the dollar
They
store.
don't work the best.
Yeah, I was gonna say I don't know how well they work because I usually don't buy batteries from the Dollar Tree, but I wanted to grab them to see how long they last.
Can we try right now?
Because I'm constantly, especially for the holidays, I like having things to light up around the house, so I'm constantly going through batteries. So I'm interested to see how long these last.
So the next item is these wooden dowels. Mom is going to do a craft with them. You want
Yes.
to tell them?
I looked all over for these. Like I said, they're not always in the same store. Okay, so yeah, I couldn't find these at first. I bought some at Walmart, but they had the pointy at the one end, and I didn't want that. I wanted them straight because I plan on gluing them together and using this twine to make another DIY project, so make sure you stay tuned to that as well. I cannot wait. I'm using the dowels, the twine, and the lights, and these were hard to find. Also right now I don't know if everyone's crafting with it, so when I went to one I found like 6, so I just grabbed 6 because I don't know how much I'm going to need. I'm going to make outdoor Christmas decorations, and I'm really, really excited, and I'm hoping it comes out. Yeah, we can do some home things. I was hoping to find, oh, Megan, can I have that door sign that says, yes. I saw that people had these Gnome for the holidays.
So pretty.
I couldn't find the oven mitt, but I found this. This is really cute. I love gnomes. I love making gnomes. So
Wait, what do you need the oven mitt for? Because you just said, I found this, but I didn't find the oven mitt, so what do you need?
oh, well, the reason why I bought an oven mitt, I just wanted a holiday oven mitt to put around the house. I was just hoping I could find a gnome one, but I know that some Dollar Trees do have the Gnome for the Holidays oven mitt. I don't know if it says Gnome for the Holidays, but I do know that it has gnomes on them. The oven mitts and the hot plate pan holders, pot holders also. So really cool that they have gnomes now at the Dollar Tree.
Want some cookies, darling?
Oh yeah, we're
Yeah.
definitely gonna make some cookies soon.
Cookies with this.
And speaking of kitchen home items, I like the red and black plaid, and like I said, we took pictures not too long ago with that, and I was excited to see this tablecloth. It's not a paper thin one. It's a flannel back one, so it's a little more
Thick?
I guess sturdy and thick.
Like the one that we have now?
Yes.
What's $1?
I don't know if I got we have a fall one. I don't know if I got that from the Dollar Tree or if I got that clearance
There's
at
scratches on
Walmart.
that one.
So I'm hoping to just.
Okay, so there's this really cool, like, snow globe type thing. It has little, what is it called? Confetti stuff.
Yeah, like confetti stuff.
And then it has a snowflake, and I was wondering if you could put water in it, maybe make it a snow globe.
You probably can. There's a way to do snow globes with this. I got this because I really like the snowflake, and I also bought these. They also have window clings. I'm not quite sure how much they are at Walmart. I want to say that they're pretty cheap as well. But I thought of taking one of these and just sticking it right on the right on the jar. Also, if you take a candle that you find at the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure how much the foam pieces are at Michael's or Joann's, but this one block is $1, and I plan on, I don't know what I'm doing with this one, but I plan on making this some kind of centerpiece for the table.
I'm gonna have to take my hair down. I have a bad headache.
So pretty cool. Whoops! Just made a mess with pine cones. What else do we have? Oh yes. These are adorable. So you can do all types. I'm gonna put that over the side. All kinds of I guess DIYs with this. You can make it actually stand it up like it is a mailbox and have presents or something drizzling down. I plan on making this into a Yule log DIY using some clay. So I'm hoping to get that done before Christmas with all these DIY videos that I want to do. There's so many things that I want to do. I just don't know if I will get to them. So, but it's really cute. Really cute. And I just have 2 more things over there.
One.
No, tissue paper. So of course when you are wrapping presents for Christmas, the Dollar Tree has so many gift bags, gift boxes, all sorts of sizes. The tissue paper is really pretty too. This one I got. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it has snowflakes on it. But they have tons of different kinds of tissue paper. Tissue paper isn't always so cheap, I guess. And wrap up your present, put a little sticker on it, and voila, there you go. So I would just say head to your local Dollar Tree because, like I said, you never know what you're going to find. There are so many ideas. I'm looking at all the things on my table right now, and after this video we're going to start getting the gnomes and other Christmas present DIY that I want to share also. So yeah, that's about it.
Make
Got
sure
anything to add?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Okay.
Make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what your favorite
I guess item is, or
item.
or what you found at the Dollar Tree that you'd like to share. Because not every Dollar Tree is the same. Anything you want to add? No? That's it? You just want to get crafting?
Yes, I love crafts.
I need to eat a Reese's cup and then I'm ready to.
I am not gonna
Okay,
do anything.
so it looks like it's snack time and then we will get crafting. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining us and we will see you soon. Happy Thanksgiving and be safe, stay safe, be blessed, and yeah.
Bye.
Bye, guys.